morning, guys. It is really early. It is currently 3:42. And I just got up. Gonna get all of the poles good to go, even though I'm only gonna bring one. But I'm gonna bring the bag, or I'm gonna get all the bag all I'm good to go and stuff. Um, so yeah, today we're gonna be walking about a 3-ish mile stretch of my favorite creek that I love to hit. Only me, so I'm gonna go there, hit it hard, and see if we can get on some big freaking smallmouth bass, because I have literally seen fives I'm in here, so I'm really hoping to get on at least one good fish. But we'll see, and yes, I'm gonna get the bag all I'm good to go, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Spot, but as you can tell, it is coming down out there, so I'm under this bridge just to try to hopefully wait till this goes by us, and then if it does, then I will throw on the good old chest cam and we will get in there. But if this does not stop, I don't know if I'm gonna make a video out of this, which would obviously blow, but oh well. So yeah, let's just hope it stops. Oh my god, he ate it. Oh my god, that's a big one too. Dude, what the guys, I hope you guys saw that, dude. That fish was in literally 2 inches of freaking water, dude. That's a good one too. Oh my god, you guys. This fish was literally in about 2 inches of freaking water, dude. Oh my god, I hope you guys saw that. Look at that smallmouth. That's a good fish. Dude, he literally ate it right out there. I am gonna need to go back to see that, dude, but that was crazy. Look at that fish. That is our second one of the day. Good gotta be 2-ish pounder. Beautiful fish. That fish ate it right here, dude. Literally right here. That was crazy. It's a good fish. I'm not seeing any, but that could also be because the water's just moving pretty at the tree, because the water's moving pretty quick. Oh, there's one. Came out under that rock for it. Little small guy. Oh, we wanted that. Wanted that little 10,000 fish, Sakoshi bug. That's fish. That's fish. That's fish. That's fish. Yup, that's fish. There we go. I just had to switch to that normal Z-Man Finesse TRD. And first cast, he bit it. First cast, he bit it. Oh, first cast on the normal Z-Man Finesse. Oh, no, you're not getting anywhere. I need you. Oh, man. It has been, I'm not gonna lie, a minute since I've caught my last fish. So even though this one's not big, feels good. First cast on the stick bait. So I think that that's just what they want. But yeah, that feels good. That feels really good. Fish. Oh, that's a big one. That's a good fish. Oh, never mind. Not as big as I thought, but it's still a good one. Oh, don't jump. Don't jump. You cannot spit this hook, dude. You cannot spit it. You can't do it. You cannot spit it. Definitely thought it was a little bit bigger than this guy, but I'll take it nonetheless. Wow, he hit it like a champ. And then he like went like into that current, so I thought it was a monster. I thought it was at least 2. At least. But nonetheless, it's a creek fish. That's what you gotta expect out of here. We'll go out to this little deep point right here. It's a nice fish. Oh, she wants to go. Oh, almost fell. So after I caught that fish, I went upstream, and I walked for, I'd say, a solid hour, maybe hour and a half, just upstream, no bites. I didn't even see any fish. So I don't know why I stayed up there, but I just did. But I then came back, and that I think is what you guys are about to see. So that's just to clear some stuff up. Oh, yeah. I feel like I caught this fish earlier. Nah, his eyes were not that red. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me get this fish off and let me tell you what has been going on. Stop. Got you. Guys, you have no idea how hard I've worked for this little fish. I think I might have already caught this. I'm not gonna lie, because I remember that scar. But dude, all right, let me let this fish go. That fish was severely needed. I walked, I'd say about a mile and a half up. Didn't even see a bass. Didn't get a hit. Didn't catch anything. So I knew that I just had to come back to where I knew there was fish, and I'm back here now, and boom, caught one. So yeah, it has been a bit of a grind for the past 2-ish hours, but hey, I'm back. I'm gonna start to head back right now. And, yeah, that freaking fish felt good. Now, let's get on a bigger one, bro. Where's the size at today? So that is going to be the end of today's, video. I do hope that you guys really did enjoy it, because I was out there for 6.5 hours, caught 8 fish, I think. I think that there's only, like, 5 of them in here. I don't know where that, like, went, but there's only, like, 5 that I have. But yeah, man, it was a grind. I probably walked a good, like, 6-ish miles, maybe, like, 5. But yeah, man, it was a grind, but we still had a absolute blast, and I hope that you guys did too. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys later.